Hello guys, in today's video I want to quickly show you how to make withdrawals from your Deriv broker account. Okay, in the previous video I showed you how to deposit using that account, and we actually deposited $5 into that account, but this time we've increased that to just small money, $25. So this time I want to take out $10 out of that account. So this is what we simply do. The first thing for you to do is to go over to your broker account, your broker account, your Deriv account. So when you are at the home page, okay, what you need to do is to click on portfolio. Now you go to portfolio. Now when you get to portfolio, you're going to see deposit, transfer, withdraw. Now our main target is to try to withdraw. However, you cannot just withdraw directly from your NT5 account. You have to first of all move the particular fund you want to transfer, sorry, you want to withdraw, to your personal area. So we do that by using the transfer option. So as you can see, I'm going to have to transfer to, so I'm transferring to my USD dollar account. So I'm going to type the amount I want to transfer out, $10. That's what I want to withdraw. So I'm going to click on confirm. Now it's processing, and as you can see, it has been transferred to my account. So when you look carefully, you'll see that on my MT5 account I still have $15, while on the USD account I have $10. So what I simply need to do is to click on withdraw. Now I want to use the same method which I made the deposit. So I'm going to click on the US dollar option. So I've clicked on the US dollar option. Now it's going to have to send me, they're going to send me an email for me to verify, just to be sure that I am the one requesting for that. So as you can see, the email has arrived. So this is my one-time password. So I'm going to copy it and go over to this place and paste it. So now it has shown me this. So they want me to enter the exact amount I'm withdrawing. I'm withdrawing everything there. So this is what I made my deposit with CoraPay. So I'm going to click on it, and it's going to show me the exact account. Okay, so that's it. That's my name, my bank name, and then I click on the withdraw. Yeah, so this is it. Thank you. Your transaction is currently pending and awaiting confirmation status. Your account will be immediately updated once confirmation is received. So we're going to wait for a few minutes and the money would arrive. Okay, so as you can see, the money has just arrived. So it is actually 14,100 because it is $10. We can see I also got a message from Deriv telling me that the withdrawal was successful. If you're a first time on this channel, please do well to hit the subscribe button, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, guys, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.